Okay, we're given 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 5 over x minus 1. All right, what I'm going to claim over here again is what I did last time was I claimed it's a good chance that if there's a factor of x minus 1 in the bottom, there'd be a factor of x minus 1 on top. Now, kind of looking at it, some problems over here. I'm going to say, well, I know it's 2x squared. Why is that? I get 2x cubed, and I know it's going to be plus 5. What I don't know is this thing over here. All right? Now, I know the instruction says long divide. I will do that. But right now, I think I can figure this out. All right? I actually think long division is easier, though. But some people like doing this over here. And again, my big concern over here is I just want to see if I can get the terms that I'm looking at. Now, I know I got this term here. That's going to be 2x cubed. And I know I got the minus 5. What I'm worried about is how do I get this term over here? Well, let's go through that. All right, that's a square term, right? Well, how would I do that? Well, kind of looking at it, I'm going to say the way to do that, minus 3x squared. Where would that come from on the right side? Well, let's take a look at that. It would come from the minus 2x squared. That comes from minus 1 times that. And what else would I get? X times bx, which is going to be bx squared. Now, what does that mean? It means minus 3 is equal to minus 2 plus b. All right? Now, what does that mean b is equal to? Well, looking at it, if you add 2 to both sides, you can get b as minus 1. Now, by the way, do not think this is over. Right? Now, what I mean by that, I'm assuming there's a factor of x minus 1 in it. This may not be true. Right? I want to get my eraser out, though. I'm going to start to erase things. And I kind of believe the b is minus 1. All right, I'll put this down for you. But I want to see if it gives me that the plus 6x. Let's take a look at that. So how would you get that? X times 5. That would be 5x. And again, I want to make sure it equals this over here. Let's see, x times 5 is 5x. And then minus 1 times minus x is plus x. And that, in fact, does equal 6x. So it's the correct factorization. Let me get my eraser out. I'm going to erase my scratch work over here. Don't really need it anymore. Erase my little check marks. I got the factorization. I will do long division too, by the way. What do you notice about this over here? It's got a domain. And domain of this problem over here is all the real numbers, but x cannot be equal to 1. If I reduce this, though, this cancels off conditionally. And what do you get? 2x squared minus x plus 5. I still want to do the long division for you. All right, let's do that. I actually find it easier to do. X minus 1. And what do you get? 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 5. Well, it's a matching game. What times x would give you 2x cubed? That would be 2x squared. I'm going to put that in the column of squares. What do you get there? 2x cubed, minus 2x squared. Now, by the way, I like to just simply subtract. Now, the last one we did, I put parentheses on and subtracted. I'm going to change the signs and combine this time. What do you get over there? Minus x squared. Drop the places down now. Repeat. What times x is minus x squared? Minus x. What do you get there? Minus x squared. Let's take a look. You're going to get plus x. All right, what do I do over here? I change the signs and I combine. Doing a little different last time. Let's do that. Oops. And what do you get there? Well, it looks like you get 5x. Did I do something strange there? Give me 1 second. Let me back that again. So you get minus x squared, let's see, plus x. Oh, you know what? I see it now. I was wondering what was happening over there. I brought the wrong number down. It wasn't working out for me as advertised, so to speak. So what are you going to do? I'm going to change the signs and combine. Get my eraser out. Whatever works for you, by the way. What do you get over here? 5x minus 5. Well, what there? Plus 5, right? What do you get? 5x minus 5. Change the signs and combine. 0. What do you get? The same thing we got over here. All right? Again, the answer is 2x squared minus x plus 5. with the condition that x cannot be equal to 1. Thank you.